if you want everyone to like you, how self-important are you? Like, what do you think? Like, what gives you the right to be liked by everyone? Like, where'd you get that privilege? Where did you get that? Like, look, you're just some dude. Hey, I'm sure you're lovely, but like, what, you're that important and that amazing that everyone should like you? Like, what's going on? No, that's bullshit. Listen, even if 1 out of 10 people like you, you're good. You can find 10 people. You can meet 10 people in one day. Even if 1 out of 100 people like you, you're fine. You're gonna find enough people, okay? It's not an issue. And even if you're a dick, by the way, you know, like, you could be an asshole and people are still gonna like you for some reason. You know, it works for some people. Not that you're a dick. Maybe you are. You're not. You're not a dick. You're a lovely person, I'm sure. But you know, like, who cares? And if everyone likes you, there's a problem, okay? Like, what's going on? Like, what are you repressing if everyone likes you, right? If everyone likes you, you're preventing yourself from fully expressing yourself, right? Or you truly have zero personality, which sometimes people say that. People, I see that as a friendship coach. I see men saying that they have no personality. Listen, it may be true for some people. I don't know. I think it's more that, like, people don't let themselves fully express their personality. Now, that can also make people not find you very interesting, like if you don't express yourself at all. But if you're sort of communicating normally, but everyone likes you, there must be something wrong. Because, like, not everyone likes me. Like, maybe you're watching this and like, this guy seems annoying. I'm sure I am very annoying to a lot of people. But I'm cool with it. You know, I'm myself. I'm gonna find my people. It's all good. And yeah, you understand the logic. You understand where I'm coming from here. This is a very raw video. I'm not, I didn't script this, but I find it annoying, is what I'm saying. Like this, what is it? Like a need for validation, I guess. Okay, you need to be validated. It's kind of stupid, but it's a human need. We want to be validated. Okay, that's a problem in a lot of areas of life, of course, that can lead you to make the wrong decisions. You know, if you live your life according to external validation. But okay, let's accept that for a second, that you need to be validated by other people, and let's accept that it's okay, just for the sake of this, right? Why would you need to feel validated by everyone? Also, there's some people I meet, I'm like, I don't know if I want that person to like me. Like, I don't want your approval. I'm okay. I don't value you as a person. Therefore, I am absolutely not looking for your approval. You know what I mean? So sometimes when someone doesn't like you, it's a good thing. It's like, yeah, I don't want you to like me. Like, what would it mean about myself if that guy likes me? Like, what? That can be an issue. Yeah, so think about that. I don't know. Like, yeah, that's my point. You're a dumbass if you want everyone to like you. It's stupid. It's just stupid. So, and you know that. You probably know it's stupid. And I guess that's it. I mean, listen, if you want help, if you basically want me to tell you you're stupid for like an hour straight, you can book a coaching call with me. You can book a free call, and then we can like work together if you want. And yeah, subscribe to my newsletter. You know, it's like somewhere down there. There's a link. You should do that, because I'll not play the piano. I'll write things about how to get better at making friends as a guy. So yeah. You can probably stop watching now. I don't know why I'm still recording. I'm gonna turn this off. Just waiting to see if I have like another thought coming, and then, no, that's it.